Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if this is your first time dropping into our channel, welcome. So we're coming to you in this video from Folsom Lake up in Northern California past Rancho Cordova. This is our inaugural pizza cook in our brand new 2021 Winnebago Solis 59px.
Oh, flat top.
Flat top. And if you'd like to get a tour of our Solis flat top, I'll put a card up here that you can click on. It'll take you to our other channel, Lori and Bill Retired, our van life series, and you can get a tour of this new Class B. We traded in our Class A and downsized into this Class B. We think it's going to enable us to get to more places more quickly and easily. So what are we making tonight, Lori?
We're making soppressata, green pepper pizza. And I've used a new ingredient, the Muti Italian tomatoes in a jar. And it's really nice. Very smooth. The tomatoes are sweet. And I think they're guaranteed to be 100% Italian tomato.
And being that we're in our van configuration, we're going to use this metal peel tonight to launch and retrieve and turn.
Okay, I think it's ready.
And we followed our normal, I think we'll use this camera here. We followed our normal procedure of we heated the oven on high for 20 minutes. And then when Lori went to press out the pizza, I turned it down to low.
And Bill remembered to turn it to low.
And what is our dough tonight?
Oh, it's our Biga dough.
Okay.
It's from Kitchen and Craft. It's, I think, the best dough that we have, that we've tried.
And it's a little bit windy tonight, and we noticed some flames coming out of the side
Right.
of the Ooni that we have not seen that before. So
Oh, you might want to mention again that we had to level the table to make sure.
absolutely, yeah.
This Biga dough is really one of the best doughs. It's so easy to stretch out. I really recommend that a beginner use this dough to perfect their stretching technique.
And what a difference it makes when I remember to turn the oven down to the Ooni low setting. So we hope to do a lot more traveling in our Class B, and we'll be bringing our Ooni Koda 16 with us. And it's really going to replace both our grill and our camp stove.
Yeah, this is the first time when we've been outside where we faced any wind issues, I think. Yeah. We've never had this problem. Well, it's not really a problem. It's just, we just noticed that there's a lot more wind.
And you know, some of our camera angles may be a little bit different, and we'll learn the right camera angles and everything. But boy, this, for us, it's exciting to be out here with our Ooni. And we've had several people walk by already and say, "Oh, I want to buy one of those," which is positive. So,
Ooh. Whoa.
what do you think? A little more?
A little bit more.
What do you think?
I put a little bit too much cheese on it, so I think it might take a little bit longer.
We're cooking slow these days, you know. We don't do the Neapolitan style pizzas. We like the thinner, crispier pizzas these days.
And I hand sliced the soppressata, so it's a little thicker than most pepperoni. That looks pretty good, huh? You think?
I think it looks pretty good.
Okay.
You can be the judge of that. So, all right. So we're going to let this cool for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll be back to do the taste.
Okay.
Okay, we've let it cool down for a couple of minutes, so let's give it a taste. Lori, why don't
Okay.
you? Lori likes the smaller pieces. Actually, I'm going to go with a smaller piece tonight.
Okay. Ooh, still really hot. Whoop.
Very good. I don't know if you can see the crust, but again, we like it towards the crispier side, and this is really good. And again, you made this biga how long ago, and how long has it been in the freezer?
I think it's been there about a month.
A month?
Yeah.
And it turned out just fine. And we're going to do another pizza probably on this trip using some Trader Joe's dough. So keep an eye out for that one as well. So what do you think? Have you tasted it yet? It's very hot.
It was very hot. Good.
All right, good job.
Well,
And
thank you.
You always do great. And very happy that we're able to travel again with our Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven. You should be seeing it a lot in future videos as we're going around from place to place in our Winnebago 2021 Solis 59px flat top. So we hope you enjoy this type of content. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. And as always, what do you say, Lori?
Like, share, and subscribe.
And please feel free to leave comments and ask questions, because that's what really drives our channel. So
Until next time.
until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Good.
Mm-hmm.